So tignan natin yung hierarchy of controls. So this is from the safest until the least safe na measure. So first is elimination. So basically, ang sinasabi dito is eliminating the hazard talaga, which is not very easy to do in a construction site. Kasi construction sites are considered high-risk establishments. High-risk siya na site. So there's a lot of hazard. So it's very hard to eliminate all the hazards on site. So that's why, as you can see, number two, it's considered the best practice, yung substitution. Sa lahat ng mga hazardous things on site, right now, you will always find a way to find a substitute that is safer. Okay, so that's the best practice. Kapag may na-identify kayo na hazard or risk on site, try to find a safer option. Number three is engineering control. So this is to provide or construct physical barriers or guards. So yan yung mga parang railings, ganun, nilalagay niyo yung mga caution tape. So yan yung mga engineering control, mga physical things that you can provide and construct on site to prevent any incidents. Next is administrative. So this is when you develop policies, procedures, practices, and guidelines to prevent the people from being exposed to hazards. And lastly, PPE, personal protective equipment. So this is the use of, like, for example, hard hat or vest para just to minimize kapag ma-expose ka to minimize the risk when you're exposed to hazards. Okay? So those are the hierarchy of control.